Okay, so we move on to the next questions on January 2018. The figure below shows demand, marginal revenue, and also short-run cost curve for a monopoly. So this one. So how much should the firm produce and what is the price should it charge? So by looking at this graph, if for a monopoly, we have to see MC intersect with MR. So it's this point. So and then we move upwards. The price would be 15 ringgit and for the quantity would be 2,500 units. So firm should produce as MC equal to MR, and then firm should produce 2,500 units at the price of 15 ringgit. So move on. What is the firm's profits or loss? Okay, if you want to find the profits or loss, you can just use total revenues minus with total costs, in which we can look here 15 ringgit times with 2,500 units of output minus the total cost, which is here above here is 20 ringgit per unit times with 2,500 units of output. And then by doing this calculation, we can find that there's a loss of 12,500 ringgit, and therefore the firm experienced a loss of 12,500 ringgit. So we move on to the next one. Should this firm produce or shut down? And explain. So the firm should continue to produce. It is because the firm is still able to cover the variable costs, in which we can look at here. The average variable cost is under the price here, so it's able to cover the variable cost and part of the fixed cost, and therefore in order to minimize the loss, firm should continue to produce. And then move on. If the firm shut down in the short run, how much will we lose? So the loss we can just calculate by because the loss is equal to the fixed cost, so 15 ringgit minus 5 ringgit times with the 4,000 units of output is equal to 40,000 ringgit. So if the firm shut down its production, the firm will experience loss of 40,000 ringgit, which indicates the total fixed cost. So we move on to the next question. B. A monopolist faces the following demands and cost schedules. And first, how much output should a monopolist produce? And then what price should the firms charge? And what is the maximum amount of profit that this firm can earn? So by looking at this table, we have to find the marginal revenue, marginal cost, the total revenue, marginal revenue, and also the marginal cost. So by doing the calculation, we can do this table here. So we can find that the quantities that the firm should produce is at 23 units at price of 47 ringgit, and so the monopolist should produce 23 units of output at the price of 47 ringgit. So the maximum amount of profit, you can just using this formula, total revenue minus total cost, which is 1,081 ringgit minus 145 ringgit is equal to 936 ringgit. So that's all from me for this question. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.